guys, welcome. And then we continue our journey to Chimong Mall area, and then very big Moon Bang Snow, and then turn around, back home. So wish you the best of luck, guys. Got it. Nice Hummer. This one I believe is fully electric Hummer. We arrived at the Lamborghini Grooming, guys. What Supercars car we see today? Wow, nice 5 Series, nice M4, guys, and some Volvo. Yeah, guys, we're gonna take a closer look at that M4. I see GT-R front colors. Ferrari sama Lamborghini. Nice. Some reality. Imagine sitting one. Dream delivery, a cold start. Ride to the best place. The Supercars mountain, which is dream of. And then the other amazing goal is to nice BMW Century Trophy. Long wheelbase. Super. Wow. And bluish color with the black wheels. It's right very nice. Another nice BMW Century. Wait. Yeah, guys, we arrived at our best spot to start our intro for the video of the best vlog, the best content ever in the universe. Yeah, let's go. Nice. Over there's the Chimong Mall area. Hello guys, welcome back to RSK, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the best POV ride around the city. Yeah, we arrived at the Chimong Mall to start our intro as usually. And over there's the never ever give up quote. This to never ever quit, keep going, continue our journey for finding supercar around the city and showing how beautiful Cambodia city is, which is my country. Yeah. Along the way here, we didn't see any sign of supercar yet, but I did see one sport car, BMW M4, parked in front of a BMW showroom, which is around the area of the Lamborghini showroom under one parent company, HEB Prime Auto or HEB Prime Group. So let's continue. By the way, last time I started intro here, the helicopter was taking off from over there and drive past by and left to the over there. And yeah, that is really cool and great for the intro. And we did get some view and a lot of view maybe in the future after the algorithm sending it to the people that love helicopter, love supercar. Yeah, so let's continue our journey to the next location. Hope for the best that we're going to see some supercar at Bray Ping Hood Bang Snow. So let's have some hope, let's have some faith. Let's go! Our journey to the next locations. Let's throw the trash in the bin correctly. Have our environment clean. Let's go! Oh, daily driven car. I also like three cars like Lexus. I like a 100. Wow, nice. And some PAC as well. Toyota, Lexus Vans, some tuner. Yeah, nothing to say about that. 500. Nice BMW. Wow, beautiful Jaguar. Amazing. Nice. Yes, I think that is great for the thumbnail for today. As you can see. Turn around, guys. That is great. That is a great to see two supercar. One is the one is the McLaren. Yeah guys, look at that cool plate numbers, which is Lionel Messi. Of course, the owner of this Nissan GT-R R34, Nismo, is a Messi fan, so Ronaldo fan wouldn't like this car at all. But of course, the die-hard Nissan GT-R fans don't give an F about Lionel Messi or Ronaldo. They just love the car, right guys? Yeah, like me too. I love the car. It sounds amazing and it looks really cool. Remind me of Paul Walker. Right guys? GT53 AMG guys. Wow guys, is that a Nissan GT-R? Wow. Go back, guys. That's R34 this small, guys. Oh, incredible. Wow guys, we just at least we catch up and get a glimpse of the Nissan GT-R Nismo R34 guys. That is sound really amazing. Yeah, he come back guys. Wow, cool guy, cool. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Please drop a like, comment down below what kind of supercar you like in this video. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Peace out.